Hello buddy, my name is Delanigans and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk about some stuff that I'm planning for this channel and also what I'm involved in and also what is going on. First of all, what is going on? The reason why I'm pretty inactive at this point is because I'm very busy with school and also with something else that I'm gonna mention later in this video. The reason why I'm pretty busy with school is because of the end project, which is currently going pretty well, and I still have to do some minor fixes, bug fixes also, with the project partner that I'm working with. To keep things short, I was basically responsible to make the whole back end of the project that I'm making. Of course, yeah, I do application and data management study in high school. So yeah, what I was basically responsible for is, as I said, the backend. So I had to design the whole database from an Excel to like the raw data model to then normalize it to the first normal form, then the second normal form, and then I had to make a whole ERD model, which is an entity relation diagram. An entity relation diagram is basically you link entities to each other and put a relation between the two. Like, for example, you have a product entity, which has several attributes, and you link it to like a delivery service, for example. You have several delivery services in that table, but you have like the delivery name and the delivery, I don't know, the delivery ID and the delivery name. The ID is a unique key. We call it a key. So you basically also link that to the product. For example, we only have one delivery service. For example, let's just put two. Okay. So we have like a product thingy with several attributes, which has also a product ID, which is also a unique key, and we link it to each other. So one delivery service can deliver many products, which is one or more. So that is a line and like I don't know how you call it, this thingy, like the, yeah, that, basically that. So that is one or more. But a product can also have one or more delivery services, and we cannot have a many on many relation. So we have to make another table, another entity, which is the delivery service link to the product. So a product can have several service links, but a link can only link one product to one delivery service. And one delivery service can have several links. That is basically a one or more relation, which is allowed in the database. So that is the ERD model that I had to make. That was kind of a very simplified version of what I had to make in MySQL workbench. Then after that, I had to fill out the database. I had to make the database in the MySQL workbench and forward engineer it to the actual scheme, or how we call it, schema. How we make that, and there we fill in all the details of all the products that we got from the school. That is basically what I had to do. And now that I had to put it all on a Combel database, a Combel is a web hosting service, so we had to do that via school also. So it didn't cost me anything. Pretty good, because it would be fucking expensive for me. But so basically that is what I was responsible for, and now that is done, I also have to make some minor fixes also and kind of point out where everything is. I still have to fill in the rest of the database because I didn't fully make it yet. I mean, not what am I saying, make it, but fully filled it in on the Combel web hosting. So that is something that I still have to do completely. And we're also going to need to fix some stuff on the front end and also like the saving in the folders on the server. So that aside, that is the school stuff. The project that I'm involved with outside of school is a game project for Roblox. The game is currently called Project Space. It is not out. it is still being made. It's still in its very, very first phases of creating. And we're still going through all the characters that we're gonna put in and stuff, blah blah blah, yada yada yada. That's and the fuck. Right, sorry. So I'm involved in that. It was a pretty funny story how I got involved because I was at a certain, I think it was a Saturday night, no, a Friday night in Easter break. I was just doom scrolling in my bed, just on at 1 a.m. Just whoa, and then I saw a video like, oh, I'm searching for people to work on this project. I was like, oh, alright. But I know, I wanted to help. I wanted to be involved in a project my whole fucking life. But I was like, huh, I'm not the best at scripting in Luo. And I'm not the best at modeling. I am not the best at animating. Definitely not anime. And I'm not the best in lore writing. I was like, fuck. The only option I have left are either music composer or voice actor. So what did my dumbass do? Voice acting! And I got a fucking awesome role to do. And I'm basically one of the only people with a confirmed voice acting role in the server, I think. I'd have to check. But I am the only one with I assume I am the only one with a currently set voice acting role. But that is it. The game is definitely Space Team, because why else would it be called Project Space? But into further details, I am not gonna go. Because from the owner, who I have also talked with personally also, on VC, not in real life. But the owners told me before I made this video that I can mention what I'm involved in, but not the details. Which I understand, because we're gonna keep it private and keep the fun to ourselves first. And then when we release it, let all the people explore without spoilers. That is what I'm involved in. Why voice act? You may ask, Dylan, why voice acting? I'm like, I have no idea. I just, it just came up in me, and I was like, damn. The thing is just with me, if it has to do anything with sound, I'm in. If it's music, I'm in. If it's voice acting, I'm in. That is what I am currently doing. Also, about the video that I was talking about on Twitter, the Minecraft video that was made with Clueless Gaming, an IRL friend of mine, also a fucking awesome friend. I love this guy. I know it's been a while since I've like, oh shit, I still need to post it, and I have not finished editing it, and I've also been procrastinating with editing. Like also previous week I couldn't edit because I was sick. But besides that, I'm still gonna edit it, and I will post it whenever it's ready. But also in the meantime, I will maybe stream Euro Truck Simulator also, because I recently installed it and I love the game. For the plans of the channel that I'm gonna do is I'm going to definitely make more videos, even though I have school stuff and I have a lot of stuff to do. Like at all. But don't worry about that. Dylan is still gonna make videos. Is still gonna do it. And we're still going to play horror games. Why did I have to think about that like that? What the fuck? So we're gonna still... We're still going to make... What? Okay, we're still going to make horror video games. What the fuck? We're still gonna make horror game videos. Yeah, that was it. Horror game videos. So we will definitely get scared shitless. But I have no idea what game we're gonna play, because I currently only have Alright. I might also be streaming some stuff and also keeping you guys updated on what progress was being made also on the game, but not the details. I'm just gonna say it's going pretty good, or what is happening, and what, I don't know, maybe what phase we're in or something. But I'm gonna say one thing also. I'm also gonna drop the TikTok video link in the comments. We need more animators, and we're also gonna need more 3D modelers also. Know that Roblox Studio only allows like up to 10k or 20k polygons. I don't know if you can make stuff like that in Blender, but we definitely need more modelers and animators. So, if you guys are modelers, a modeler or an animator, or maybe even a scripter in Roblox Studio, make sure to go to the video, to the TikTok video in the comments and reach out to the person. I don't know. I have no idea if this, if the owner is gonna respond in time or like quickly, because he's busy himself too with school and stuff. Because he is also, yeah, still a student in school. But yeah, besides that, let me know if you guys want to be like maybe directly linked to him or not. I don't know. But I'd recommend first going to his TikTok video and reaching out to himself. So basically that. I hope you guys are now like kind of calm down on what is going on. I appreciate every single one of you. And I hope to get. I hope to see you guys in that game when it releases. I will definitely post a video when it releases. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Also, for if you guys want to join the Discord server of the game and actively work with the game that I'm now involved in with the owner, I just have one thing to say: AI is not allowed. We're not gonna use AI. We kind of despise it, and it also kind of ruins the positions of us voice actors, music composers, artists, and scripters. So, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!